This morning we're at my mom's, and slowly but surely she has wanted to fill in this side of her front garden with shade-loving plants. And it's a process, but today we are planting reblooming pink double azaleas from Proven Winners. I love azaleas, and if I could, I would have them all over my yard, but I don't have any good solid shade area, and because it's just such a long hot summer, it's going to be 91 today and we're in the end of September, azaleas thrive in the shade. So this is shaded almost the entire day, which is perfect for azaleas. And then when we planted the Gara that has sun in the morning time, almost, well, until afternoon, I think, we're going to plant this Coleanema. I think I'm saying that right. I love that it's fluffy. I love that the chartreuse color. In the spring, this will have small little pale pink blooms. And we're going to do that right in front of the Gara. This will grow 2 to 3 feet tall and 4 to 6 feet wide. The azaleas will grow 3 to 4 feet tall and wide. I'm going to plant them with Birdhouse today, and then in the spring I will come in and fertilize the azaleas. So I think I'm going to get planting. We have them all planted in, and I think this area is coming along really well. I still have to run drip off a line over here to the front of the first azalea, and I'll do that after I spend a little time visiting with my mom. What I like especially about these azaleas is that they are reblooming. In the spring, they'll put on a large show of blooms. They'll take a little bit of a rest, and then they'll continue to bloom through summer and fall. Thank you guys so much for coming along to my mom's house, and I hope you guys are having a great week. We'll see you soon.